Got the Brewhouse Prime. Picked up some VHS tapes at a garage sale with WWF matches on them. Just thought I'd share these video old school WWF matches as I relax and have a Brewhouse Prime at 6%. That's 40 ounce Fear, Dr. Dave, Beer Professor, Beer Sampling with Dave. It's a six man tornado tag. 40 ounce Fear, Dr. Dave, the Beer Professor, and Greg from Greg's Beer Reviews. Against Hoagly's Beer Reviews, Lee Russell, J Vega 419, and Todd, Country Chef Beer Boy 92. Hope you all enjoy the match. These guys have some pretty fierce moves. Let's see who's the drunkest here. That's what this fight's really about. Todd's having a little trouble. Yeah, Dr. Dave is fucking nasty. These are all nasty. Lee just got fucking triple fucking power bomb there by 40 ounce Fear. And again. Uh-oh. Somebody stop that. Oh, okay. That would have been a short match. Oh, Vega's got Dr. Dave rip in there. I figured Lee would go after Dr. Dave at some point in the match. Greg's giving her. Greg's nasty. His finishing move is fucking brutal. And Todd, I'd stay away from him. I'm pretty sure he's got that freak retard strength going for him. Fear just seems to be slamming people all over the fucking ring. And Greg, yeah, he's nasty. And he's returning the favor. Oh, and Greg's finishing move from behind is to punch you in the nuts. And that's Lee's Brainbuster DDT. Todd seems to be able to find his way back to the ring here. Yeah, J Vega has all the martial arts moves. Oh, out of the ring. Oh, Fear's kicking ass in this one. Oh, double maneuver there. Oh no, that was just Greg kicking him in the nuts, sorry. Yeah, Dr. Dave, he's quite agile. for an old man. Oh, who lost the match? Vega lost the match. Fuck. So Fear, Dr. Dave, and Greg take it. That's a 6-minute match.